What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here, and in today's video we are going to be doing a core workout doing strictly planks. We are going to be doing different variation exercises of planks, but we're going to be predominantly staying in a plank position. In this workout we're going to be doing 30 seconds of an active workout with a 10-second rest period. In today's video I am going to be using this handy dandy red light that I have received, the Wellness Hive Hue Red Light Therapy panel. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with red light therapy, but red light therapy has a ton of health benefits. It's good for your eyes. It's said to be a mood enhancer. It's for workout recovery. It's good if you have any injuries. It's good for that. So today I'm gonna just have it on me and we're gonna highlight me while I am doing my plank exercises to just give me some little extra pump and really enhance my exercise. So if you guys wanna shop this, I will put the link below in my description box. And with all that being said, you need absolutely no equipment, just the space the size of a yoga mat. And let's go ahead and get started.
Only one, 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 only one for mine. You are the only one, only one, only
loves, that concludes our plank ab workout for today. I certainly hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope this workout fueled you the way it fueled me. If it wasn't enough, go ahead and repeat it for another round. You know, 3 times is the charm. I'm always gonna say that. Again, want to give a huge shout out to the Wellness Hive Hue Red Light Therapy panel. This thing works wonders. Look at that. Look at that. And you can stare directly at it because it's great for your vision. But yeah, be sure to shop my link below for this product. And otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.